Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy elegant cake topper for a class of 2025 grad. Now I'm doing the 2025 year, but if this is a future year, please follow along to this video. It's the same exact process. So if you have class of 2026, 27, 30, it'll be the same exact process, just a different number on there. So let's go ahead and get started. So go ahead and upload the file into Cricut Design Space. And if you need any help doing that, I'll link a video up above. And what you're going to have is you're going to have two of the same piece, but one is reversed. This is the front piece and this is the back piece. Right now they're grouped, so if you want to, go ahead and ungroup them. Because what I like to do is I like to cut the front out of glitter cardstock and then the back out of normal cardstock. Now you can cut both the front and the back out of glitter or front and back out of normal, but that's just the way that I'm going to show you how to do it today. So I'm going to change the colors a little bit so they do not cut out on the same mat. If you're using the same material and same color for both, then make sure they're the same color so they do print out on the same mat. If you want to resize them at all, make sure you have both of them selected at the same time before you make any changes to it. Then when you're ready, go ahead and hit make. And I have my front piece, which I'm going to do out of glitter, and my reverse back piece, which I'm going to do out of normal cardstock. The glitter that I have, so this is an intricate cut, and I find that with this intricate cut and the glitter cardstock I have, I can't even use the glitter cardstock setting. I actually have to use heavy cardstock with more pressure. But that is up to you and what you're using. Now for the back, I'm going to use cardstock for intricate cuts with more pressure because it is an intricate cut. So if you're using normal cardstock, I would use this setting. If you're using anything heavier, you're going to either have to use glitter cardstock or heavy cardstock. I like to use the blue light grip mat, even if I'm using glitter cardstock, because it's so intricate, it's too hard to get off of any mat that's any stickier. So I'm going to use my blue mat. I'm going to put my glitter cardstock down. If you're using normal cardstock, definitely use the blue mat. And then take your brayer, always take your brayer, and roll it onto your mat. Okay, once you have it cut out, make sure you flip your mat over and peel the cardstock away from the mat so you don't ruin or curl anything. Now remember, this is very intricate and delicate cut, so if you do need help, you can always pull out your spatula at the end to get those pieces up without ripping them. And then you'll want to carefully remove the excess pieces. Okay, now that I have both my front and my back pieces cut out, and they're gonna line up just like this, so you'll see it from the front and from the back. So I'm going to flip this over, and I'm gonna take my front piece, and I'm gonna take my glue, and I'm going to line this with glue everywhere except right here, because right here is where my stick is gonna go. And we're gonna hot glue that one in, but it's too hard to hot glue this together. You definitely need some good craft glue for this. Okay, now that we have that together, what we're going to do is we're going to take the little pocket right here where we didn't put our glue. We're going to put some hot glue in, and we're going to put our stick in. I like to put it in just about like up to there. If you put it too far up, it makes the star bumpy. And then when you do it, just make sure that your stick is straight, that this is straight on top of it. So if you take your stick and you file the edge of the star, I find it works out very well. So let's take that stick out. I'm going to take my little glue pen and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of glue into there. And then I'm just gonna take the stick, push it up to right about there. Again, make sure it's straight and let that dry. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my normal glue, and if you have anything that needs to be sealed up around it, just put that in and seal that shut. So you have a quick, easy, gorgeous cake topper for that special class of 2025 grad.